A new brand has cracked the top of the top 5 list of global smartphone manufacturers by shipment, according to Canalytics, which has just released the numbers for second quarter that ends in June. Transition shipped 22.7 million units, up from 22% year on year from a 9% market share, up from 6% last year. The Chinese manufacturer is responsible for Techno, Infinix, and Itel brands and was able to take advantage of the recovery in the African market and a recent expansion to other emerging markets. The usual suspect held down the top three, but a Samsung which delivered a leading 53 million units. There's a 14% decline in sales from 2022 second quarter, but they held the top position at a flat 21%. Apple saw shipment at 43 million, decline of 13% on year-on-year basis, but it still managed being flat at 17%. Xiaomi shipped 33.2 million headsets during the second quarter of 2023, good enough for the third space. The company shipped 16% fewer units than they shipped in quarter 2 2022. The decline cost the company just 1% in the global market share, which accounted for 13%. Below Xiaomi was Oppo, one of the phone brands under the BBK group. Oppo saw its quarter 2 global market share stay flat at 10% despite an 8% decline in deliveries to 25.2 million units. Overall, global smartphone shipments were at 258.2 million, down 10% from 278 million units last year. There's an improvement from the 13% decline recorded during the first quarter this year. It seems Samsung has taken a very conservative strategy amid pressure of profits and slow recovery. With the second quarter being the low season with fewer launches, Samsung has seen its lowest quarter 2 performance since 2013. With its high profile releases of yesterday, Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5, they have demonstrated they want to fight with Apple on the luxury market. As you know, luxury market sells less phone, but the profit per phone is much higher. So maybe Samsung is just concentrating on that now.